Hello everyone. Welcome to Easy Drawing and Painting channel. Today we are going to draw and color POCOYO. Let's start drawing. First time I draw his face. Looks good. Please subscribe the channel. Then I draw his body and his arms. Excellent. Now, let's start coloring. Blue color. Red color. Cream color.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M,
Orange
N,
color.
O, Q,
Brown
R, S,
color.
T, U, V,
Pink
W,
color.
X, Y, and Z.
Yellow color.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing
It's so
with me?
beautiful. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you the next video.